besties, come along with me as we go to a city called Stoke-On-Trent. The first time I mentioned to someone that I was going to Stoke-On-Trent, the initial reaction was quite weird, and this was a British person. The person was like, why are you going there? And my question was, why not? Now, I don't know what it is about the city, but I need to go there. Firstly, because a dear classmate of mine is celebrating buying a new home, which is a big feat for anyone, let alone an immigrant in the UK. So I'm going for the celebration. By the way, I'm reading this beautiful book by Ramit Sethi, which is I Will Teach You to Be Rich, because we need this money. So besties, in this vlog, I will not be giving you a tour around the house because that's someone's privacy. Instead, I have something juicy that I have reserved for you alone. In this vlog, I will show you some deets about the housewarming party, which is a celebration I'm going for. In addition to that, I'll be showing you something special. But first off, let's do what we usually do when we go to a new city. Google. So Google has told us that this city is famous for their ceramics and in fact pottery. What better way to navigate through a new city than going to the place it's most famous for? Okay, by now you should know that we are going to the museum in Stoke-On-Trent, and this is going to be my first museum since coming to the UK. By the way, the trip from Lincoln to Stoke-On-Trent was about 2 hours 50 something minutes by train, so let me leave you to enjoy the train ride. Don't worry, I will not leave you for 2 hours 50 something minutes.
Like a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch.
We are here. Locating the museum itself was quite difficult. I think the driver dropped me at the wrong point. I was actually shocked seeing the staircase leading to the museum, and it's not good shock. It was so dirty, so tiny, like I was literally scared that I would not fall. The way my phone is shaking, that's how I was shaking with my pair of heels. Thankfully, I arrived in one piece, and in fact, the struggle was worth it.
Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running.
The bad thing about going to a museum for the first time alone is that you don't know what anything is, you just observe.
And a lady of Mercia in my own right. My husband is a warrior and King Penda's personal guard, and they are off on a campaign soon, up to the north this time, I think. As a token of his gratitude for the service our family shows, Penda has given me a beautiful pendant.
I need to get away now.
This is how I was just making videos of everywhere. I did not even know that I made a video of a Don't worry, I'm not going to be showing you. Let's leave this place and go elsewhere.
From my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Just let tomorrow wait, and I can't worry about it. Come too fast.
This is the fashion floor of this gallery. I love the fact that in this museum, every aspect is structured. So there is a part for animals, the part for fashion, the part for pottery. Everything is well arranged.
Your love is intimate, knows me fully and still closely holds. Your plan is intricate, weave together perfectly. It unfolds, and I need you each moment.
So besties, I was done with the museum and it was time to go to my friend's house. I love the fact that I went to the museum, firstly because it was educative, then also it was me going outside the box and just putting myself out there to experience new places and new things. And I absolutely love experiencing things when I'm alone. I'm not going to deny the fact that some aspects of the museum actually creeped me out. Like, what is this? Where am I? But in all, it was a great experience. And I think right now I would love to go to various museums in other cities. Plus, I actually like Stoke-On-Trent. It looks like a homely city and all the people I met were quite nice and friendly to me. Okay, besties, now let's go to our Nigerian party.
Measure of the love Jesus poured out.
Hey, as I said, the Nasi food shop.
Apart from the food already mentioned, there was banga soup, barbecue, roasted corn, roasted everything, pepper soup. Somebody say e choke. It was also beautiful seeing some of my classmates again. We need to repeat this full outfit check without this voiceover. Oh yeah, come on. So besties, we've reached our last bus stop. I am going to be linking a vlog similar to this for you to enjoy right after this. But thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and I'm going to see you, my loves, in the next one. Until then, stay blessed, remain happy, and mwah!